our neighborhood. So, what is the meaning of neighborhood? So, first let me clear about the neighbors. What is the neighbor? What we call the neighbors? Neighbors, that means पड़ोसी. Okay, the people who live near us. जो लोग हमारे आसपास रहते हैं, that we call neighbors. Now here we are going to learn about neighborhood. Okay, so we can see where we live near our house. We can see many places like market, hospital, bank, park. So many places are there. That is very important places. So the people who live near us and the places that we find near our house, that it make our neighborhood. Okay, so the neighborhood, that is the place where we live. Near our place, that where we live, that is called our neighborhood. यानी जो प्लेस जो हमारे आसपास है, एरिया जहाँ पे हम रहते हैं, वो हमारे आसपास का एरिया है हमारा neighborhood, right? So in neighborhood we can see many important places like hospital, market, park, bank, post office, fire station. So many places are there. That is very important, right? So today we are going to learn the neighborhood places. So first I am going to explain you about the market. Okay, so first places in our neighborhood place that we can see, that usually we can see in our area, that is market, right? So let's see about the market. Our first neighborhood place is, that is market. So what is the market? We can buy many things from the markets like milk, fruits, vegetables, clothes, medicine that we can use every day, right? So from the markets we can buy different things, and in our neighborhood we can see usually we have a market, right? So from the market we can buy different things that we use every day, right? So in market we can see different shops and stalls also. Stall for the fruits and vegetables, that is open market. Okay, so in the market we can see different shops and stalls that is around us. In our area we can see market. So this is our first neighborhood place, the market. Now let's see the next place, that is hospital. Now the second neighborhood place is the hospital. Now the second neighborhood place, that is the hospital. Now you all know about the hospital. Now usually we can see hospital in our neighborhood places, right? हमारे एरिया में hospital होती है. So when we are get hurt or ill, जब हम बीमार होते हैं, कुछ लग जाता है हमें, then we visit the hospital or clinic that is our nearest in our area, right? So in our neighborhood we visit hospital or clinic. Now in hospital we can see the doctors and nurse. And when we are ill or hurt, the doctors and nurses give us medicine. वो हमें दवाइयाँ देती है जब हम बीमार होते हैं, right? So doctor and nurse give us medicine and take care of us and help us to get well, right? So this is about the hospital. We can usually find hospital or small clinic in our neighborhood places, right? In our neighborhood. Now let's see the next places that we can easily find in our neighborhood. So the place is the police station. Now let's see about the police station. So we can easily find the police station. So what is the police station? Police station is the one kind of office of police. Okay. So हर एक places पे, हर एक area में एक police station होता है जो पुलिस की ऑफिस है. So police station में पुलिस होते हैं, and you all know about police. Police keep our neighborhood safe from thieves and robbers, right? So पुलिस क्या करती है, हमारे नेबरहुड को सेफ रखती है from the thieves and robbers, वो चोर और लुटेरों से हमारे नेबरहुड प्लेस को सेफ रखती है. That is the work of police, right? So in police station we can find the police. So पुलिस क्या करती है, वो हमारे नेबरहुड को सेफ रखती है. And the police make sure that people follow the rules. और जो रूल्स होते हैं, जो ट्रैफिक रूल्स और so many rules are there, so we should follow the rules. So पुलिस क्या करती है, पुलिस वो देखती है, ऑब्जर्व करती है, we are follow the rule or not, right? So police makes sure that we are follow the rules or not. Okay? So police make sure that people follow the rules and live peacefully with each other. So पुलिस क्या देखती है, जो नेबरहुड एरिया में, जो उसके एरिया में लोग हैं, वो रूल्स फॉलो करते हैं या नहीं, या लोग शांति से एक दूसरे के साथ रहते हैं या नहीं, वो पुलिस देखती है. So that is the work of police. So this is about police station. Now let's see the next place we can see in our neighborhood, that is fire station. The next place, the fire station. Now let's see about the fire station. If in case, if any building catch fire in our neighborhood, अगर कोई बिल्डिंग में आग लगती है हमारे नेबरहुड एरिया में, हमारे एरिया में, ओके, सो वी कॉल द फायर स्टेशन. वो हम कहाँ पे कॉल करते हैं, दैट टाइम वी कॉल इन फायर स्टेशन. हम फायर स्टेशन में कॉल लगाते हैं. नाउ फायर फाइटर्स केम देयर. फायर फाइटर्स जो फायर स्टेशन में काम करते हैं, दैट पीपल वी कॉल फायर फाइटर्स, राइट? People who put out fires, that is firefighters. Okay? फायर स्टेशन में जो लोग काम करते हैं उसे कहते हैं firefighters. Firefighters, that means people who put out fires, that is firefighters. Now वहाँ पे firefighters आते हैं with the fire engine and they put out the fires. Okay? वो फायर इंजन में पानी होता है, सो वो पानी से वो आग बुझाते हैं. सो व्हेन इफ एनी बिल्डिंग कैच फायर, वी कॉल इन फायर स्टेशन एंड फायर फाइटर केम देयर एंड पुट आउट द फायर, राइट? सो दिस इज अबाउट फायर स्टेशन. क्लियर? So these are the neighborhood places. Mostly we can see this kind of places in our neighborhood, right? So in this video we have seen the neighborhood places that are market, hospital, police station and about fire station, right? So what is the market? Market is the place where we can buy something, right? We can buy things like milk, fruit, vegetable, that kind of things for the daily lives, right? We can use these kind of things in our daily lives, so we can buy from the markets. And we can see in market there are shops and stalls. Stalls are the open market, right? So this is about the market, and mostly we can see in our neighborhood there is a market, right? Now the second one, that is the important place, that is hospital. In our neighborhood we can see the hospital. So when we are hurt or ill, we visit the hospital, and doctor and nurses give us medicine and take care for us and help to get well again, right? So this is the place, hospital, and mostly we can see the hospital in our neighborhood, right? Now the next one is police station. Police station is the office, one kind of office for the local police, right? So पुलिस क्या करती है, पुलिस keep our neighborhood safe from thieves and robbers. So this is called police station. Now next one is fire station. Fire station, what is the fire station? Fire station is a place, right? So if in case any building catch fire, then we call in the fire station. And fire fighters, firefighters, that are the people who put out the fires. So firefighters comes there and put out the fires, right? Firefighters and they put out the fires. So this is about the fire station. So I hope you clear the concept about this neighborhood places, about market, hospital, police station and about fire station. I hope you clear the concept of this topic. Thank you.